Africa Biomass Company is your one-stop wood chipper services company. Having more than a decade's experience in wood recycling and with the most reliable equipment on the market, ABC is just a company to assist you in supplying food to the constantly growing population. Together, we can work out a soil management strategy that will improve your yield year after year. Not only does Bandit equipment use less fuel, but it also delivers a much better quality wood chip. Adding a Bandit wood chipper to your fleet of essential farm equipment is part of a good soil management strategy. Book a demo today and see for yourself how much value a Bandit wood chipper can add to your growing business. ABC's manufacturing department focuses on the development and finding ways to keep improving wood recycling equipment so that your business can attain a higher return on investment. Did you know that wood chips are a better and greener alternative to coal that is currently used to generate heat energy to raise broiler chickens and for use in other small agri-industrial factories? ABC is also the Desi equipment sales agent and offers Desi's complete range of earth-moving equipment in the Western Cape. Our company is situated in Worcester, just an hour and a half's drive from Cape Town, and we would like to invite you to come and visit us. ABC's fully stocked parts department and workshop facility will ensure that your wood chipper keeps running in excellent condition. They will service, fix and rebuild any wood chipper. Contact us for a free consultation or visit us and learn why so many farmers and wood chipper owners choose Africa Biomass Company and Bandit equipment. You are also welcome to visit our website at abc.co.za and our social media accounts on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram and Twitter.